do not be amazed at this, for the hour is coming in which all those in the memorial tombs will hear his voice and come out, those who did good things to a resurrection of life, and those who practiced vile things to a resurrection of judgment. John 5 verses 28 to 29.
Nya Jimmy Dino umpo betnasi. No bialo atas no Jimmy Dino kouda. Inti etasa yetimewuraze. Sa yewusha yewumewuraze.
Obaapanyin Aba Esaawah was born to Obaapanyin Aba Esaawah and Madam Kate Abina Ewuji in 1934 at Nkonkon near Esamakasi in the eastern region of Ghana.
Mommy, you sacrificed everything, including your happiness, comfort, your energy, and you were wounded and survived myriad of tribulations, but you were clear in your mind of your goal and the values you stood for. Therefore, you remained steadfast and persevered. You were over 70 years ahead of your time, a generational thinker, a woman of vision who foresaw first-class world treasures hidden in the jungles of the Wasa Amanfi in the western region of Ghana. You were a mathematical genius with unmatched economic prowess, achieving a perfect score in your statistical progressions. Yes, with no formal education, you were your own accountant, marketing manager, lawyer, farm manager, and a mother for all.
Obaapanyin Esaawah was a member of the Women's Fellowship and was very active in their deliberations. You were courteous, gentle, and calm in your dispositions. Your presence at the church on Sundays brought joy and affection to most of us. It told us that we were not doing enough in our Lord as expected by you.
Apia, they are gone. I can be no easy. Munyano, what my young fine me.